Hey everyone, I'm CNC Shawn. You know, last month we did the big torsion box project. It went over really well. Well, this month we thought we'd do something a little more intricate in an inlay using VCarve Pro. All right, for today's inlay project, I grabbed a little material from the shop back home. We're going to use maple here for the primary V-carve of it. That'll put the ShopSabre logo in. Then we're going to put an American flag underneath it. Then the reverse side of that, we'll use walnut. That's going to get laid on top of it, glued and clamped together. When it's all set, we'll plane that down and you'll see the walnut left where we V-carved out. Now I've got the tools ready to go. I'll get the material set. Let's get started. All right, we've got our inlay block all glued up. We let it sit overnight, so it should be good and dry. We're gonna set the table up to surface the top down. Should reveal what we created, and hopefully I did it right. So we'll get that set and get started. All right, we got our inlay project done. Check out the intricate detail in the stars that this machine produces. You know, it did an amazing job, just as I expect, but it just shows the capabilities of what you can create with this. And, you know, it's my first time ever doing an inlay. Maybe I got lucky and everything turned out great, but it really wasn't too difficult and opens up just a lot of possibilities that you can do with a machine like this. You know, I also want to point out, we left the dust boot off. Made a huge mess that I get to clean up now, but if we'd have had that dust boot on, we'd have nothing to clean up. If you want to check out more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. If you want some information on our machines, check us out at shopsabre.com or give us a call. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.